You can expect a lot from the 2017 Ford Mustang.
This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has less than 25,000 miles.
Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list.
It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers,
providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience.
Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path.
We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.